Bushcraft basic equipment. This is my top 5. Number 1. I always carry a fixed blade with a full tang and a 90-degree spine so I can use it for my ferro rod. Then I always carry either a folding saw, this is from backhoe, or a hatchet or a small axe. But this is my setup at the moment. Number 2, fire starting. I always carry a lighter. This is just a small big lighter with some tape wrapped around it. This is good for starting a fire. And then I always carry myself a ferro rod. Number 3, shelter materials. This is my Bushman travel gear, easy top. It's a 3x3 top. And then I always bring some cordage. This is some Paracord in a bright orange color. Number 4, water sourcing and purification. I always carry my Nalgene canteen, that's 1 liter. I can carry water in this, and I have my steel cup that I can boil the water in for purification. If I don't have a fire, then I can use this piece of cloth. Any wool, any cotton is great and good for filtration, and this could also keep me warm, so it serves different purposes. And number 5, some sort of book about foraging and wild edibles. This is a Danish book that I use. This is for the 4 seasons, and this is for May, the season of May. And you can just look it up and see what you are able to eat and what you can find in the nature. So this is what I usually take out or look in before I go outside. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe if you like the content.